Today I'll be testing out a 5-torque mini electric screwdriver and bit kit from Katerk. So if you're into things like DIY projects and need some new good quality tools, this kit might come in handy. It comes with a nice case, the screwdriver, a set of 14 driver bits and a magnetic bit holder, a USB-C charging cord, and the instructions. I want to start by getting a close-up look at the screwdriver. It's got an LED touchscreen that shows the battery life. Then there's the forward and reverse icon to switch between. And you can cycle through the 5 torques and match the force to the specific task. It has 250 RPMs, a 2500 mAh battery, and the USB-C port. It's even got a work lighter on the bit holder for dim lighting or tight spaces. Now it isn't a drill, so if I need to make a screw hole in the wall to hang something, I'll need to use one of those. But for simply placing screws, it's perfect. And if I go in too far, I can just press the reverse icon and adjust it accordingly. I found this curio cabinet at an estate sale a couple weeks ago, and I've been wanting to get it put up. So after I got those holes drilled and the drywall anchors and screws placed, I was able to hang it. It's gonna look pretty cool when I get stuff put inside. I also filmed a review for a bookshelf last week and used the screwdriver to put the whole thing together. Technically, I was only supposed to use a manual screwdriver, but since I can adjust the torque, I just set it to 1, and it was slow enough to not damage the wood. Saved me a bunch of time. The bits and bit holder are also magnetic, so I found that to be pretty helpful. They're not super strong, but I think they're good enough for what I need. Also, since it comes with multiple bit sizes and shapes, if I need to open things like tiny battery covers or something, I can just pick the size I need, snap it in, and it gets the job done. It sinks the screws pretty quick on the 5th torque setting, as you can see. But even with it set to 1, it still only takes a couple seconds. And it's not very loud either, which is convenient. Here's a sound test from 1 to 5. I think what else is nice about this is it's not heavy at all, and it's small enough that if I need to pack it up and use it outside for something, it's not that big of a hassle. And not to mention, the case it comes in is pretty good quality. It has a pocket to store the charger, and a little carrying strap on the top. I can just put the screwdriver in, zip it up, and leave it there for next time. So if you're in need of an electric screwdriver with some handy bells and whistles, this one might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna get this computer chair put together with my new screwdriver. Later.